Scansfer has been called one of the easiest ways to transfer files between Android devices. Over 20,000 people per day use Scansfer to share files, apps, contacts, URLs, and more from phone to phone, phone to computer, or computer to phone. Now with the help of Box.net, Scansfer is becoming even more powerful, combining the ease and convenience of Scansfer's QR code sharing technology with the world's most innovative cloud content management platform. Before Scansfer came along, sharing information between mobile devices was cumbersome and not secure, usually involving email, Bluetooth, or worst of all, USB cables. Scansfer developed a process to make this easier. The app provides a streamlined interface to select what you want to share and send it to another device via a QR code. Scansfer provides the option to send sensitive data securely using HTTPS protocol, and the overall experience is much less hassle and more reliable than using email, Bluetooth, or other methods. Thanks to the OpenBox platform, Scansfer users will now be able to quickly access assets from the cloud and share them just as easily as files stored locally on their phone. This is the main menu. Notice we have simple icons to quickly access all of the functions of our app. The first button is to launch our barcode scanner. Then we have a button to browse our local files on the SD card. And in this new release, we've added a button to access our Box.net folders. We also have buttons to quickly access our camera and apps, a PayPal button to request money, and finally, buttons to share contacts and bookmarks. Let's begin with the Box.net button. When you click on it, the first thing that happens is the app checks to make sure you are authenticated. Now you see a list of your top-level folders. To browse a folder, you click on it and select Open Folder, and once it's opened, you see your files. If you wanted to share one of these files with a coworker at lunch, you would simply click on the file and select Scansfer File, and within a few seconds, a QR code appears on the screen. Your coworkers will then scan this QR code with their mobile devices. It doesn't matter if they have an Android or an iPhone or even a BlackBerry. Just as long as they have a barcode scanner, and it doesn't have to be one that's included with the Scansfer app. In fact, the recipients don't even need to have our app to get the file. As soon as they scan the code, they get access to a Box.net download page. Also, while browsing your Box.net folders, we provide the option to click Download File to pull down a local copy of the file to your SD card. Now, let's take a look at the SD card. Scansfer provides a built-in file explorer to browse files on your phone. When you click on a file, you may either Scansfer the file to share it with a coworker, or you may wish to upload that file from your local storage to your Box.net account. When you select Scansfer File, the file is first uploaded to a folder in your Box, which gets created automatically the first time you do it, and then, just like before, you get a QR code for your coworkers to scan. Scansfer and Box.net share the common goal of making it faster, easier, and more secure for people to share information. With the union of Box's powerful enterprise-class cloud storage infrastructure and Scansfer's sleek mobile sharing interface, business people and casual users alike will be able to collaborate like never before.